Okay, now I'll show you how to make these pretty traditional Swiss designed decoupage eggs. They use motifs of simple nature elements like simple birds, hearts, and flowers. And they also use a symmetrical design where you fold the paper in half and you get this and cut it out. Now the paper cuts are very flexible because they're cut, and they apply to the eggs rather easily. We'll also be cutting some of these borders with a pinking shear, and that also has a very nice effect. So to make the traditional Swiss designed eggs, you want to use a white egg, and we'll cut some strips with the pinking shears. Now you can get different effects by using the pinking shears. You can edge with the zigzag. So first I'll do the straight edge with the zigzag, and you want to cut very carefully so you have a nice even amount. And then, because you need a longer piece to go all around, match up the zigzag cut here with the zigzag of the pinking shear, and then make your next cut. And just shift up, carefully matching up so that you get a continuous zigzag pattern. You can get different effects by lining up the zigzags of the pinking shears in different places when you make your cut. If you put your pinking shears like that, you'll get diamonds like this. Or you can get a zigzag pattern by just shifting your pinking shears a little bit further up, and you can get a zigzag pattern. You want to make a bunch of these strips, and also make some plain straight cut strips to put in between or beside some of the zigzag patterns. To make a symmetrical design like this, you fold your paper in half and pencil in the design. Now you can use a paper clip to hold the two pieces together. It's fairly intricate cutting. You can use a small pair of scissors to do the cutting, or you can use a craft knife on a cutting surface and cut the pattern out. This is a fairly intricate work, but it's a beautiful design.